The chairman of Momas Group, Engineer Kola Balogun, has stressed the need for Nigeria to boast local capacity to produce made-in-Nigeria electronics and electrical materials. Energy Engineer Balogun made the call at the graduation ceremony of the first Nigerian graduates to design and produce a PCB in the country. iBrandTV has the details.
Stakeholders at the maiden edition of design and production of PCB in Nigeria said the only way for the nation to manufacture its own electrical appliances is to first learn the act of creating a valuable PCB. While commenting on ways to support and grow small and medium-scale enterprises in the country, Chairman Momas Engineering Company, Engineer Kola Balogun, said that government must play a role by creating the enabling environment for businesses to thrive, especially in the area of technology.
The PCB fabrication design has never been done in any of our higher institutions, any of the skill acquisition center in the country. The reason why we brought the idea into the country today is to reposition Nigerian youth to global digital economy. We want to represent our youth, especially those who are in the science domain, to be able to key into the global development, artificial intelligence, robotic technology, computing. These are tools for you to be able to design things yourself. Nigerians are used to be a user of computer, a user of telephone, but we don't do telephone, we don't do computer. There are engines, there are machines that does all these things that we are playing around with. This is the reposition of Momas School, to be able to train youth, to be able to design. And the fundamental foundation of designing of any electronic device is the PCB, because that is the layout. That's where you plug in all your components. That's where you plug in your microcontroller, microprocessor, to be able to do all the magic of the whole world. The digital economy is to present youth not to stand up from their workstation and be able to interface with the global best practices manufacturer, IBM, GE, and all the rest, Samsung, that they can engage them remotely and they will be able to design whatever they want for them.
Appreciating the chairman, Momas Engineering Company, for the initiative of training young people in the design and production of PCB, guests at the event said it is a new dawn for the technological advancement of the country.
The target is for poverty to be eradicated by 2030 around the world. And for Nigeria to achieve this target, our population needs to be well educated, they need to be skillful, and they need to also be healthy. Now, this program speaks to the skill acquisition aspect, because for you to be productive, you need to be skillful.
I want to commend Momas for coming up with this initiative for graduates and youth. You could see that this printed circuit board is another innovation in engineering that is going to help the development of the country in the area of artificial intelligence, robotics. So with this, for small and medium, for SME, I'd said it that they're going to turn their number to business.
Government will continue to collaborate with the private sector to ensure that, young folks who are, acquiring skills that address market needs are able to, in actual sense, commercialize that skill into a profitable venture.
Beneficiaries of the free training appreciated the chairman, Momas Group, and promised to turn the skill acquired to a big business.
PCB is actually found in almost all the electronics we have. Be it your computer, this microphone I'm using, this camera, you find a printed circuit board in them. So commercializing it, I don't think is really that hard, but it depends on the ideas you have.
What can make people to come and say, wow, what has this person done? That we want people to invest in it. That is also part of the marketing strategy. So by solving a problem, then we can now think about the money. Because if we have a problem that has been solved, people will also want to have advantage of it, and they will also rush to get it as well.
Stakeholders at the end of the event also agreed that power is key in the advancement of technology in the country.